In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to N8N. By the end, you'll have a Google Analytics node added to a new workflow and linked to your own credentials, so you can start automating reports and insights. First, open out N8N in your browser. From your workspace, head to the Workflows area and start a new blank workflow. You'll see an empty canvas where we'll add our first node. Click the plus button to add a node, and in the search bar, start typing Google Analytics. This narrows the list so you can quickly find the Google Analytics integration. When you see it in the results, select it to drop the node onto your canvas. With the node added, look to the panel on the right. Choose the action you want this node to perform. Depending on your use case, this might be something like running a report or retrieving specific property data. If you're not sure which action you need yet, don't worry, you can switch it later. What matters right now is getting the connection in place so N8N can talk to your Google Analytics account. Under the Credentials section of the node, open the dropdown. Select Create New Credential. A dialog will appear asking for a client ID and a client secret. These are the OAuth credentials you generate in your Google Cloud Console for the Google Analytics API. If you haven't set that up yet, you'll need to create an OAuth client there and ensure the necessary APIs are enabled. Keep those values secure and never share them publicly. Paste your client ID into the client ID field, then paste your client secret into the client secret field. Double check for extra spaces before or after the values. Those can cause authentication errors. When everything looks correct, click Save. This stores your credential securely in N8N and links it to the Google Analytics node you added. Once saved, you'll be returned to the node configuration with your new credential selected. From here, you can refine your action and fill in any required fields, such as selecting a property or defining a date range based on what you want to retrieve. If the node offers optional parameters, use them to narrow your results and reduce unnecessary data. That's it for connecting Google Analytics to N8N. You've added the node, selected an action, created a new credential, and saved it. From here, you can continue building your workflow, connect additional nodes for processing or notifications, and test the run to confirm everything works. If you run into issues, verify that your client ID and secret are correct and that your Google project has the right permissions and APIs enabled.